Lord, parang ang dilim ng camera natin. Baka pwede natin buksan yung ano niyan.
Sige na nga, pagbigyan na natin.
Okay, sige.
O, ano ngayon? Tol, yung topic natin ngayon, hindi natin kailangan ng on-cam. Hindi tayo kailangan makita.
Bakit naman kailangan patayin pa yung camera?
Hindi na kailangan. Patayin na natin. Kailangan patayin dahil narito na ang greatest hits of Miriam Defensor Santiago.
Gusto ko ng mga ngagat ng tao. Eh, biro mo, hindi ba lang ako ni-nominate?
Kaya nahamon ko na lang silang suntukan na lang kami.
Hindi pala nila kaya. Manidigan sa prinsipyo.
Sir, it is not your function to raise questions with the chair. Your function is to answer. Are you, sir, calling Senator Pimentel a liar?
Itim pa rin, Jun.
Oo nga eh.
Pero dapat sabihin, paano na lang ang impeachment kung wala si Miriam?
Oo nga no.
Madali lang naman sagutin itong pagtatanong na ito. Pwede magkasundo lang tayo pinag-usapan dito?
Opo, Madam Senator, dahil nakalagay dito in violation of the Anti-Graft
Absolutely, I
and
can
Corrupt Practices Act.
Give me the presumption of literacy. Tapos na itong babaeng ito. May trabaho pa ito. Pauwiin mo na yan. What an impertinent answer. Let me go to the point. Justice delayed is justice denied. Huwag na tayong magpa-epal dito. I request opportunity to speak. I have been here for 5 minutes. Out of courtesy to me as a senator judge, will you please keep quiet? Do not drown me out by screaming in this courtroom. Only I can scream here. And my fellow judges.
Can I read?
Yes, please.
Directly or indirectly requesting or receiving any gift which includes discount.
Will you please stop emphasizing your words like this? It startles everybody. You're already in danger of contempt. Yes or no?
The allegations.
I am tired of hearing your voice. Nililito yung publiko, nagagalit sa inyo eh. Pakinggan yung radyo. You know, if you shut down all the TV cameras, this proceeding would be finished in 1 week.
Ikaw, Jun, ano yung paborito mong linya kay Miriam?
Parang mas gusto ko yata yung mga nagjo-joke ha?
Joke?
Oo.
Parang ganito ba yan?
Anong height mo? Paano ka nagkasya sa puso ko?
Believe me, I would really rather, you know, go scuba diving in the Bermuda Triangle and get possibly lost there.
Ang pag-ibig ay parang ketchup. Matamis, pero maraming nakikisawsaw. Women are superior to men because women were made from a living human being, from his ribs, while men were created from mud.
Dad, ano ba to? Kailan ba natin, buksan yung camera? Baka mapagalitan tayo.
Oh, so pati ba ito, yung hindi kaya may amat si Miriam, ay hindi rin pwede yan?
Oo, Tol. Sarado ulit, Bogs. Ano yung line, Jun?
Hindi kaya may amat si Miriam?
Hindi kaya may amats si Miriam?
That's a silly topic.
Kung natakot nanay mo, magsumbong ka sa pulis. O kaya tawagin mo ka Senado, sampalin ko lang ng sandali.
Maski sino na lang gago pwedeng kumuha ng exemption. Basta may kilala ka sa PNP. Anong klase yan? How dare you raise questions to my authority?
At ano na lang ang may kasama ka na bigla.
Eh, ang dilim eh. Tara.
Hay nako, ang boring talaga ng buhay kung wala si Miriam Defensor Santiago.
Thank you very much. Come up and see me sometime in the Senate. Gentlemen.
Thank you.